Typhoon Higos to lash Hong Kong tonight. A fresh round of handouts to help employers retain staff amid the pandemic. The U.S. Democratic National Convention gets underway. Hello, good evening, and welcome to TVB News. The typhoon signal number 8 is expected to be hoisted at any minute, the first storm of this level this year. The observatory will issue the warning when severe tropical storm Higos makes landfall southeast of Hong Kong. It's forecast to move northwest at about 20 kilometers per hour towards the coast of western Guangdong. It will continue to gather strength overnight and is expected to skirt within 150 kilometers to the southwest of Hong Kong tomorrow morning. The closing hours for MTR train and light rail services tonight will remain unchanged. KMB and LWB, meanwhile, will suspend their overnight bus services. Ferry services between Central Cheung Chau and Mui Wo will end early at 11:30 p.m. The weather agency warns flooding could occur in low-lying areas tomorrow morning. This just in, the typhoon number 8 signal has now officially been hoisted. It's the first typhoon of this magnitude in Hong Kong this year. Chief Executive